So finally, we got the day when we're gonna put this assembled engine. As you're gonna see, we put the short block brand new on this one, almost a new block from a newer record truck, less than 4,000 miles on the block. And we're gonna put the new water pump with complete new pistons, all the bearings on the crank, and we do put the piston rings on this one also, and the fuel pump on this one. So this one gonna be ready by end of today. Or tomorrow. We'll put a short video after that with a test drive on this thing. If you guys do have any of the Toyotas and you want to rebuild from Americano, give us a call, book your appointments, and try to use a good oil. So this thing not going to happen to you, because this is only 94,000 kilometers, not even the miles when this thing got break down. And that's a new truck. That's a new Tacoma. It's not even an older, like it's less than 10 years. So under 100 clicks, if your engine is damaged, something wrong with the oil. Watch your oils. That's what we're going to do for today. If you guys do have any other rebuilds, give us a call. All right, so let me talk to you about the level of trust. We got this absolutely brand new 2026 Audi Q5. It's here for a very first oil change. So customer got the recommendation by YouTube. They watch our videos of rebuild and everything. So here we are going to use the liquid moly 6200. That's for the all new VWs and Audis. That's a level of trust. Customer have it very first oil change, and this oil looks like a green. So if you guys have a new of Audis and VWs, book your appointment. We're happy to help you out with that. Also, it's mandatory to put the right spec oil when your vehicle is in warranty. And another serious note to all my customers, viewers, a lot of people have a conflict about, like, if they bought the brand new vehicle, the warranty gonna be void if they do the oil change from outside, which is not truth. All you need a proof of oil change with an invoice for your brand new vehicle. Doesn't matter it's a brand new or it's a half of the warranty period. The warranty, factory OEM warranty, have nothing to do with the oil services, as long as you have a right oil invoice service done by a professionals. So if you guys do want any of your services done on your newer vehicles which is under warranty, feel free to come to Americano. We'll happy to help you out. Book your appointment. On to the next car. All right, so we got this another work van. That's one of our neighbors from across the block. They got this no start car. Early morning, they try to start it up and nothing works. The battery on this is new, but the starter on this stucks. So we are going to take a look on this one. We previously worked on this car a lot of about the engine and transmission maintenance. They do have other vans too. If you guys do have the work vans like this, that's a Chevy Express. Any of the similar vans, you want any of the work regarding the engine, transmission, brake works, suspension works, we have an inventory of the parts. Book your appointment. Again, you have to book your appointment to make sure you're gonna have this van drop off. Then we can work on those ones. Any of the commercial vehicles, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. All right, so here we have a 2022 BMW X5 40i. This is an inline 6 turbocharged. So this motor produced 335 horses, and it's a B58 motor, the recent one from the BMW, and the hard one to work on, especially on the timing chains. But this is here for a regular oil change. This is the first time customer here, and guess what? They came from a Google. They check it out, the best shop in the town, and they want to do a BMW services. That's what we specialize for. If you guys do have BMWs, Mercedes, you want the OEM authentic oil with a man filter, that's what the recommendation OEM from the BMWs. Feel free to give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. Book your appointments. The real reason behind the OEM services is the newer engine B46, B58, they are really sensitive on the oil. If you're trying to go with any other places with the cheap oil on your car, the turbo start burning the oil, which end up you getting a chain stretch on your engine, and there's a lot of expense to fix the chain on this engine. Somewhere around from BMW is 20 plus grand. You're just gonna save a little bit from us if you have existing issues with the timing chain on this brand new ones. Yes, people do have the issues with this 2022 or 2021 X5s because these ones have a real sensitive timing guides. If you put a cheap oil in the car, the timing guide sucks. So that's the best thing to put OEM oil or liquid moly, or we do have a Motul and a Row. All those three, they are compatibly specful with the B58 engine. Any services, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. So we got day two on this beautiful N20. That's one of our customer from almost 2 years. He's following us from Instagram and TikTok. So that's our one of the favorite customer. This thing came up with a multiple timing codes on this one with the thermostat water pump codes. This thing have a electronic water pump. So we're going to change that timing chain, complete rebuild on the front end. Also, we're going to do a water pump on this one and the thermostat. This thing gonna be ready probably in a day or so. If you guys do have any of the similar work on your N20s, doesn't matter you have a 5 series, 3 series, or X series, we can happy to help you with it. Just give us a call. On to the next car. Here we got this 2020 Grand Cherokee, and it's here for irregular services. This customer came in before to our shop too, and the issue was with the transmission. And when we checked, the car was under 100 clicks on this one, and the customer they bought extended warranty. So we recommend the customer go back to the dealership. They'll probably fix you in the warranty period. So that's exactly same customer did it. They go to the dealership, and it was 11 hours of labor, which was included in the warranty. That's what they was mentioning this time. And it came up here this time just because of the park brake cable wasn't working properly. So when we dig it out on the back, there was the shoes, they got weared out as this car hits almost close to 100,000. So we need to change the rear brakes on this car, and the front ones are toasted pretty bad. Let me show you right here. So that's how the rotor looks like when it's got toasted. So this, don't put the pads on these ones because you end up burning your pad too. So that's what we recommend to this customer. And now we are going to change all four rotors and pads and the rear shoes. This car came in a dual brake system on the back with the shoes inside the drum. Outside there is a pad. So disc with drum brakes on the pack. If you guys do have the similar car and you have a trouble with putting the brake while you park in and you drive it, give us a call. We will happy to help you out. We have an inventory for the brake on your car. We use only ceramic brakes and coated rotors for the high ignite brakes. Any of the brake inquiries, give us a call. Thank you.